With Trace's passion for baking
and Trevor's passion for classic cars, we both decided to quit our day jobs and buy a 60-year-old van and convert it into a mobile cake and coffee van.
Please subscribe and follow us on our journey while we trade at markets, fairs and events, alongside our regular pitch at a local farm shop.
And we'll also show you a bit of what we do in between trading.
Sorry we didn't do any catching up in the week. It was just very, very busy really.
Baking and editing.
Editing, baking, generally running around trying to catch up with everything. So, what's on the cake counter today, Birdie?
Wow, lots of things because it's Valentine's weekend, or Valentine's on Monday. So we've done lots of pink things.
So this is a raspberry mousse cake, which is like a raspberry mousse on top of a chocolate sponge. Lots and lots of fresh raspberries, pureed and then turned into a mousse, and it's on a base of a chocolate genie sponge. I got the recipe from a coffee van that I actually followed in London called Dear Coco, and I can't remember the name of the guy, I think he might be called Anthony, who runs the coffee van, and his wife is called Emma, and she does cooking. She's got her own recipe book and stuff like that, so I got the recipe from her. It looks lovely, really pretty for Valentine weekend. For the theme for Valentine's weekend, we have passion fruit cake, which is like a vanilla sponge filled with a vanilla buttercream and a passion fruit coulis, and some pistachios on the top even, that's the word. It's Friday, I can't get my words out. Usual almond croissants, brownies, cinnamon buns. These ones here, brioche buns, are filled with like a raspberry jam and chocolate chips. I think they'd be very nice, heated up with a cup of tea.
How did you make these?
So I made like a brioche dough, which went in the fridge overnight, and then I rolled them into little strips and covered them with jam, raspberry jam and chocolate chips, and rolled them up.
And you used a different yeast this time?
I did use a different yeast. So I read up about a special yeast called gold yeast, which is perfect for using with enriched doughs, so sweet doughs. So we've used that. I'm going to have another go this week with it. I've got a few more ideas, so I'm going to do that. We've got Millionaire's Flapjack, and then we've got on the bottom these, which I think are really good. These are red velvet cookies, so like a chocolate sort of red velvet cookie filled with a mascarpone cream and then decorated for Valentine's. We had an exciting start to the morning today. Before we'd even opened, Harry from Harry's Hot Chocolate dropped by. I think we told you about him before. So he's brought us some more samples to try. So this is the chocolate orange, and this is the chocolate mint hot chocolate. And we have tried them, and they are lovely. So if you come and have a chocolate orange or a chocolate mint hot chocolate with us, it will be Harry's Hot Chocolate we'll be using.
We had a nice chat to him yesterday. He had an E-Type Jaguar. I didn't catch the guy's name actually, but he came from South Wales, and yeah, he said he called by, so that was really nice. It looks like Tracy's just wrecked my body warmer. She's looking at me. What have you done? You borrowed it for 5 minutes to keep yourself warm, and you broke the zip.
Does it normally do that?
The isolation valve, I hadn't turned it off yesterday, and then this morning I came to turn it on. Of course I thought it was jammed because I was trying to turn it on, it was already fully on. So that's foxed me for a couple of minutes. Like I said, there's something in the water today, I think.
That was yesterday.
Yeah. Yesterday. Maybe the weekend there's going to be. I don't know. We will see, won't we?
I'll let you know.
We'll let you know, yeah, we'll have a catch up in a minute. So what are we having here then, Chris? Chris has bought some more stock in.
Motoring display.
A motoring display of oil cans. Tractor oil.
Cheers.
Nice one. They're a nice size, aren't they?
Alright.
This X sign's nice.
It is, isn't it? It's not old, but it's good.
It's not something you did, is it?
No, I didn't do it, no.
Oh, it looks nice, doesn't it? It looks like it's hand painted. Yeah. Chris, you're not supposed to put the stock back in the van and take it back home again. He's just bought it in to sell. He can't bear to part with it now, so he's taking that one home. He's gonna keep that one. Been relatively steady throughout the day. We're about an hour to close, and about an hour ago, how many customers do you think we've served, Trace, in the last hour? It is absolutely, we've been floored. This cake cabinet was completely full. All this was full up an hour ago. 1 hour. And we've ended up with this situation. It really is an all or nothing type of thing, really. Incredible. I think we need to put some sort of contraflow system or something.
When we get home from trading with the van, the first job to do is the washing up so it can be all put away, ready for the next day of trade. The next job is to prep all the croissants, the almond croissants that we then bake in the morning, ready to take with us.
Tracy's also iced this cake and decorated it as well. She made a fantastic job of it.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter?
Good morning, it's Sunday morning. I'm so pleased and grateful that we were able to get the van packed without getting wet, because we've had a severe weather warning for gales for Sunday, and at the moment it's looking like it's very cloudy, it's very windy, but it's not raining yet, which is an absolutely huge benefit to not getting wet first thing in the morning. So we've got the van packed up, let's get off to the farm shop. Tracy's just popped to the shop to get a couple of pints of milk because we're a little bit short again, as is normally the case on a Sunday, so let's hope we have a good day.
Tell me you're the one for me what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you.
On our way home now, we've all finished. We've had some rain today. We were lucky this morning that it didn't rain when we were setting up, so we were able to get everything sorted without getting wet. We've had a bit of rain now this afternoon, but we've had a great weekend overall. And we're going to go home now, sort everything out, and then we look forward to coming back again next weekend.
We certainly do. See you next weekend. Bye.
Bye.
Now I pray that you believe it too.
You can also follow the Baking Bird UK on Facebook and on Instagram.